In this video, I'll show you how to customize themes in Gamma AI in 2026, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Gamma AI. Sign in to your account and open the presentation or project you want to customize. Once your project is open, look for the theme or design options in the Gamma workspace. Click on the theme option to view the available styles. Gamma AI provides different themes that can change the overall appearance of your project. You can preview different options and choose a style that matches the purpose of your presentation, document, or web page. After selecting a theme, check how it changes your project. The theme can affect elements such as fonts, colors, layouts, and the overall visual style. If Gamma provides customization controls, use them to adjust the appearance further. You may be able to change fonts, colors, text styles, and other design settings depending on the project and available features. You can also choose a theme that matches your audience. For example, a professional theme can work well for business presentations, while a more creative style may be better for personal or educational projects. After making your changes, review every slide or section. Make sure the text remains easy to read and that the design looks consistent throughout the entire project. If you don't like the result, simply try another theme or adjust the available design settings until you find a style you like. Finally, save or apply your changes and use Gamma's available presentation, sharing, or export options when your project is ready. And that's how you can customize themes in Gamma AI in 2026 to create a more professional and attractive project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful AI tutorials.